Are you over 60 and wondering if there's still a simple way to boost your strength, balance, and confidence every single day? What if I told you that just one daily move could make a real difference in how you feel, move, and live, no matter your age? Today, I'm sharing the one exercise that can truly change everything for seniors. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. And if you find this tip helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical wellness advice. Let's be honest, as we get older, it's easy to feel like our bodies are slowing down. Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get up from a chair, climb stairs, or keep your balance on uneven ground. You might even worry about losing your independence or missing out on the activities you love. But here's the good news. Your body is capable of amazing things, and it's never too late to start making positive changes. So, what's the one move that can change everything? It's called the sit to stand. This simple exercise is exactly what it sounds like, sitting down in a sturdy chair and then standing up, using your legs, not your hands, then sitting back down with control. It might seem basic, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to build strength in your legs, hips, and core, while also improving your balance and coordination. Why is the sit to stand so important? Think about how many times a day you get up from a chair, the couch, or even your bed. This movement is at the heart of your independence. The stronger and more confident you are with this move, the easier it is to stay active, avoid falls, and keep doing the things you love, like gardening, traveling, or playing with your grandkids. Here's how to do it safely. Start by sitting on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them out in front of you for balance. Lean forward slightly, press your feet into the ground, and stand up smoothly, without using your hands if you can. Then, slowly sit back down with control. That's one rep. Try to do 10 repetitions, once or twice a day. If that's too much, start with just a few and build up over time. If it's too easy, try a lower chair or add a gentle pause at the top. The best part, you don't need any special equipment, and you can do this move anywhere, at home, in the kitchen, or even while watching TV. The key is consistency. Just a few minutes a day can lead to stronger muscles, better balance, and more confidence in your daily life. But let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Don't rush through the movement. Focus on good form. Make sure your knees don't cave in, your feet stay flat, and you're not using your hands to push off unless you absolutely need to. If you have knee pain, try a higher chair or place a cushion on the seat. If you feel unsteady, keep a sturdy table or countertop nearby for support. And remember to breathe. Inhale as you sit down, exhale as you stand up. If you want to make it more challenging, try adding a gentle squat at the top, or stand up and sit down on one leg at a time, with support if needed. You can also hold light weights or a water bottle for extra resistance. But for most people, just mastering the basic seat to stand is enough to see real results. The benefits go beyond just strength. When you practice the sit to stand daily, you'll notice improvements in your posture, your confidence, and even your energy levels. You'll find it easier to get up from the couch, play with your grandkids, or carry groceries. And because it's a functional movement, it translates directly to your everyday life. So, are you ready to give it a try? Start today and see how quickly you notice a difference. And don't forget, leave a comment below telling us where you're watching from and how many sit-to-stands you did today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use a little extra strength and confidence. Remember, it's never too late to start one move every day, can truly change everything.